This is EURJPY and today it's Sunday, 7th of December 2014, before the markets open for the new trading week. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou and this is a video signal for ForexID Academy members and FXholics Forex Signals apps users. I'm using ICHIMOKU KINKO HYO, Bollinger Bands, Fractals and Stochastics. Let's go to the monthly time frame of the pair. We see a wildly bullish picture here, and the leading Kumo is bullish, slightly sloping upwards, but its edge is not sharp, and stochastics go aggressively up, both of them, and the fast stochastic is already moving inside the overbought zone, but biases are 1000% bullish on monthly, although it looks like the pair is approaching to a correction point on weekly. On the weekly, we see also a wildly bullish picture, and that means that correction is coming, although Chikou span goes straight up. We definitely never ever place a buy order when the price is moving at the upper Bollinger Band, so we wait for a correction. If we want to ride this wild uptrend, we wait patiently for the price to reach at least the level of Tenkan-sen. Here Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen are at the same level, or even better, median Bollinger Band. For now, we stay out if we want to enter the uptrend. If we want to enter short, we have to wait for multiple confirmations, which we don't get yet. On the weekly, we see the starting point of a possible correction. Whenever we see the stochastics touching each other and moving parallel to the 80 level line inside the overbought zone, then correction is coming, always. So we wait for the correction, and let's go to the daily. On the daily time frame, we see the same wildly bullish picture. The leading Kumo is bullish with its edge sharp pointing upwards. The bullish momentum has reached a peak, and stochastics had a fresh bullish crossover 3 trading days ago after this corrective touch of Tenkan-sen. But if I move the vertical line, you'll see that there is a spike at the top of this big bullish candlestick of the last trading day. And although median Bollinger Band is going up, the upper and the lower Bollinger Bands show that the momentum is bullish. Price is touching the upper Bollinger Band, and it has made a spike already on the daily. Definitely this is not a point to enter a buy order, so if we are bullish and we want to ride this uptrend, we must wait patiently for a minor or major correction before we enter a buy order. The correction may happen on the daily either if the price touches, and even better if it crosses below Tenkan-sen, and if it touches or even crosses median Bollinger Band and reverses, or if it goes all the way down to the lower Bollinger Band and reverses. That would be an ideal long entry. If we are bears, if we want to take advantage of a possible correction, we must wait for all multiple confirmations we can get, and for now we don't have a single one on daily. We don't have any confirmation, any short entry signal on daily yet. So let's go down to H4. On H4 we see that something starts happening. We had an up fractal at the upper Bollinger Band 2-3 candlesticks ago. Two spikes showing that the bullish move is losing momentum. The bulls are losing momentum, and a bearish crossover of the stochastics inside the overbought zone. Now if stochastics succeed in crossing below the 80 level line, and if we get a proper bearish price Tenkan-sen cross on H4, don't worry if that is going to happen. Tenkan-sen will be going upwards, and then it will make a curve or an angle like it did here. As you see here, it made an angle, and this is a proper bearish price Tenkan-sen cross. If you see something like this, not just crossing below Tenkan-sen, but Tenkan-sen also been curved or angled downwards, that would be fantastic, and that would be a nice short entry point. If you enter short, if that happens and you enter short, you can place your stop loss above the up fractal here, and you can place your take profit target, a short-term take profit target at the level of the medium Bollinger Band, and a medium-term take profit target below the lower border of the Kumo, and a long-term take profit target at the lower Bollinger Band. But I suggest you monitor the trade and you trail your stop and you follow price action. It's better, instead of trying to be a prophet, and don't be a prophet. Don't do that. Now, if it's going to make a correction, I believe because the price wants to go much higher, the correction will be significantly statistically significant. Therefore, it will be deep, and it may have the power. The price may have the power to go all the way down to the lower Bollinger Band. But that is an assumption. I don't like to make assumptions. I like to make observations and to follow the price. So for now, if you are a bull, stay out. If you are a bear, wait for multiple confirmations to enter short in a possible correction. If you are a bull, wait for the correction to happen and enter when you get confirmation for the continuation of the uptrend. Possible scenarios: a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross, so you wait and enter long, you buy on a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on H4. Other possible scenario: price goes all the way down below the medium Bollinger Band and makes a swing low below the medium Bollinger Band. You see a valid fractal there. Enter after the swing low is followed by a bullish candlestick, so enter long there. Other possible scenario is that after a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross, the pair is going even lower and reaches the lower Bollinger Band. Again, bullish price Tenkan-sen cross with Tenkan-sen curved upwards will be your entry trigger point. Other possible scenario is that price will not have the strength to cross below Tenkan-sen or Kijun-sen or medium Bollinger Band, and it will just approach Tenkan-sen and reverse and continue going higher. You can monitor that from smaller time frames, and you can enter after the pair approaches Tenkan-sen on H4. You can buy after that. These are the possible scenarios. Thanks for watching and happy pips.